A lot of people make the mistake of thinking that by knowing their rich friends or by associating with people that are rich, that that's one way they are going to make money. Of course, that can be a very good way for you, but it's not going to take you very, very far. You need to define your target first. So today in this video, I want to share with you how I turned 100 naira to 10,000 naira at the same spot. One day I was going with a very rich man, okay, going somewhere very important. And then along the line, the car broke down. And it happened that he didn't have any of the equipment or the tools that he needed to fix a tire. It was a bad tire. And so he didn't have the contact because he didn't carry his phone. Or maybe he was, I don't even know what was going on in his mind, but he didn't carry any list of contacts he was going to call. And so I had the number of someone who knew someone that knew the mechanic. So I told him, sir, excuse me, I'm going to call this person for you. He knows a mechanic that is going to come and fix this thing. And that was how I called. And in 30 minutes, the mechanic came. And when the mechanic came, the man I was working with was very, very happy. And he rewarded me with this money. Tell me, did I really need to start a business to make that money? No, I just needed to know that there was someone that needed the service right there, and I knew someone that knew someone that I didn't even need to be the middleman. I just needed to know that I could connect them with this other person. That is the mindset that you need to have. That was how I turned my equity of 100 naira airtime into 10,000 naira cash at that same spot. I need you to have the mindset of knowing that making money is actually not rocket science. Making money is not rocket science. It's something that is an art that you must develop. You must learn to practice this art. It's something that if you keep practicing and exercising the muscle, it becomes very useful and you become stronger. Just like practicing any skill, maybe fighting or judo or sports or something like that. Making money is a skill. You must open your mind. You must make sure that you are aware. You must be open to the opportunity. Be able to think very clearly. Be able to think objectively. Don't tie yourself to any self-limiting mindset. And the first thing that you must know is that you must erase all the bad concepts you've been taught about money growing up. Okay, there's something that happens in a lot of people. I've met a lot of people that they still have very, very limiting beliefs about how to make money, and that's the thing that's going to hold you back. Money is a tool. Money is a defense. Money is just like pieces of paper, and it's about learning how and ways to understand how the money flows. That is how you make money. Money flows where energy goes. Money flows where energy goes, and try to get that energy so that you can get the money coming to you. Look, the ultimate secret in trying to make money is about finding a way to find the person that has money and who and what he wants from making that money. Okay, that is the ultimate thing that you need to know. You don't need to have money to start a business. You just need to have an idea, a clear idea of brokerage, of connecting someone that has money to someone to the things that he needs to buy with that money. It's very simple. We can see this in real estate. You can see people that are land agents and things like that. You can see people that are trying to contact people overseas and they need to speak. Even telecommunications industry, they are just brokerage. They know someone that you want to speak to and they can connect you to them and they make the money. So these are the three things I need you to understand about how I turned 100 naira to 10,000 naira. And I hope that it strikes the bell and you try your best to understand this concept in clear and precise terms. And I'll see you in the next one.